Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to enable the email subscription system and newsletter opt-in confirmation setting that we can toggle for our Shopify store online for our customers. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what my dashboard looks like. The idea is we would need to get access to the notifications tab found in settings. So it's going to be this one right here. Just navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen, click on settings, and from here we're looking for the notifs tab. Now the notifs tab is the one between brand and custom data. So it's this one right here. And we're simply going to click on it like so. It should open up this little window with 4 different options to choose from. So there's customer notifications, so to notify your customers about order and account events, so all of the going ons, if it gets canceled, if it gets delayed, or if it's on its way to their doorstep and whatnot. Staff notifications would notify staff, obviously, staff members about new order events. Fulfillment request notification will notify your fulfillment service provider when you mark an order as fulfilled, and webhooks. So the one that we're going to opt for here is customer notifications. And to do so, click on the arrow for it, just like that. And you'll see a bunch of different settings here that we can mess around with. Now, what we're looking for here is the opt-in option, and I believe it's found at the very bottom of the screen. But let's do a quick overview about order processing, local pickup, and local delivery. So all of these are enabled by default, as you guys can see. And what we're looking for here is this one. So marketing double opt-in. Get explicit consent from customers to send them email and SMS marketing. So basically newsletters is what we're talking about, as well as email subscriptions. So customer marketing confirmation, you want to make sure that this setting is enabled, and it would look a little something like this as a preview. So if you were to send tests, this would send an email to the email account that's tied to our Shopify account. If we want to edit code, just like this, we could change the text inside. So it would be this one. So that's cool. Or you could customize it to however you want it to look. So that's also an option. And at the end of the day, you just want to make sure that this setting is checked. And then you want to make sure that email subscribers is enabled, as well as SMS subscribers. So what's going to happen is they will be getting newsletters or opt-in confirmations every time there's a development with their orders or with our store. So once that's done, you guys should be good to go. So you want to make sure that this is saved right before you exit out. But I'm just going to leave it as default, so turned off, because I'm just using a dummy store in this case. So there's that. So yeah, that's how you guys basically do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.